Now let's understand why are all dentists so obsessed with flossing. Watch on to figure out why. Hi, this is Dr. Diksha Batra, your pain-free dentist, making sure you have a gorgeous smile painlessly. So, right from the beginning of time, we know when we walk into a dentist, they are going to tell us to floss. That dreaded conversation, and we know we're going to end up lying about not really flossing. We end up promising that we will, but we never do. Now, obviously, because flossing can prove to be so hard and so difficult in terms of the technique, let's show you an alternative to flossing, which is called smart flossing. Now, in order to understand what is smart flossing, let's revise again what is flossing all about. So, I think everybody remembers what this thread is all about. This is called a floss, and you basically take about an 18-inch thread and you turn it around your index fingers like this, and if you're really a pro, then you can actually put it in between your teeth and clean like this. Now, for those of us who are not such pros and don't have such manual dexterity, or maybe we just don't want to bother with that much time cleaning your teeth, then there are smarter options that can be used. Now, the point is to clean between your teeth so you don't have cavities. So let's do it with a floss stick. A floss stick is basically that thread which is mounted in a stick. Now, how this helps is it increases your maneuverability. So now you could actually just use one hand and go ahead and clean between your teeth. This floss stick needs to be washed in between use so that every time there's a food particle there, you rinse it and use it back again. So much so that you could use it all around the mouth, one full time, and then discard it. The other end of the floss stick is also usable. It's soft, and if something gets stuck, you could use this as well. Now, if this option also doesn't suit you, then there are various things that can be used. There is something like a mounted flosser. For better maneuverability, it actually comes with a handle, and you can keep clicking to change the wire right here. All you need to do is the same thing, go between your teeth and rinse. Go between your teeth and rinse every time there's food particles on it. Now, for some of us who end up wearing braces or even who have huge gaps in the back of their mouth, well, there are interdental brushes. Now, this brush is really cool. I'll show you why. It's completely bendable, and what it does is it goes between your teeth in those large gaps where even a floss can't really clean. This is super easy because when you attach the handle, it can actually go anywhere in your mouth and can be used for up to a month until it sort of frays or becomes old. Now, this can also be carried in your pocket or in your wallet. So easy, it becomes like a pen, like a small little thing you can carry along with you. So there's really no excuse why you wouldn't be cleaning between your teeth. Now, also we have people wearing braces. Now, it's extremely important to keep your teeth clean when you have braces. Because food keeps getting stuck in those metal wires, we have fun colored interdental brushes which can be used for kids. They make sure they carry it along, and they come in various thicknesses. So this being the thinnest for small gaps, and this being the thickest for larger gaps. So here's a full range of colors. Attractive, at least we try to make this interesting and fun for you. Also, for people who wear bridges or implants, it's important that teeth are absolutely clean and free of gum infections. So these brushes come really in handy even then. For those of you who don't believe in these threads and brushes, watch our videos on the power flosser as well as the water flosser, making sure that you have all your smart flossing alternatives. So tell us now, do you think you're a smart flosser? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to The Pain Free Dentist, making dentistry pain-free, one smile at a time.